This is a video chart presentation of Novatel Wireless. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker NVTL. It's a chart that came up with one of our bullish investor scans for Wednesday. This chart had been in a long-term downtrend, but found a bottom back here a few months ago and has put together a nice uptrend in 2013. Now it's retraced from highs over 240, but holding a nice support level right around $1.80. And with the green day on Tuesday, it's pushing on the upper end of a little short-term channel it's been in for the last week or so. So I want to keep an eye on to see if it's going to rotate, try and push through, challenge those old highs, and continue the uptrend that started in January. Now, I see we're not getting a lot from the MACD. It's actually been in a downtrend since the middle of February. But what I do see is histogram bars that are slowly starting to inch their way upward, signaling that perhaps a bullish cross is coming, where the 12 will pass back through the 26 EMA, which comes at a really good time if the MACD can hold over top of zero to indicate the trend of the chart's going to try and shift back towards bullishness. Now, similarly, the slow stow was down low, only registering about a 22, but a bullish cross has recently happened while the stock's been in this little channel, and now a slight uptrend starting to happen, which again is giving hints some bullishness is trying to come back into this play. Really kind of a common theme going on. The money flow index also still down low, underneath 40 right now. You want to see it up above 50 to show some more strength in the chart, show people are paying higher prices for the stock over average periods. But the little uptrend tells me that that's starting to happen. RSI 14 is in a very neutral position, registering right at 50. The bulls and bears are having a bit of a tug of war to try and control momentum in the stock. And that should be expected because the stock price has been in this box for the last week or so. But ultimately what I'm looking at here is the stock sitting on a classic support level. See, it was served as a little bit of resistance back here in February when the stock price finally broke through it. In classic TA fashion, that resistance is now holding as support. And since slipping back from these highs, that support level is once again being held. And we always look for technical charts that are sitting on support. If it does happen to fall through that, it won't pick up more support again until down around $1.50. So that's why it's so important that this level holds at this point. Now to the resistance side of things, I see this little channel that I've referenced several times as being a key point. Taking it back a little further, see it was some support and resistance in the last month. Tried to hold it a little bit of support earlier on in March. And that's going to be kind of a key point for it to take on some volume increases and blow through that area. Because if it does, I think the upside to come challenge near these old highs and this old resistance point is greatly increased. And closing at $1.96, that's about a 15% upside. But importantly, if it does break through and takes out those highs, what I'm seeing then is an overall upward channel being established in a continuation of the move off the bottom. Pretty nice looking technical chart, and one we'll be keeping an eye on to see how it performs going forward, to see if it's going to break resistance or fall through this support. Those are the things that I'd be looking for in the NVTL chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks, registered investment advisor, or licensed broker dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.